you see that through my eyes?
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room, silence me with bitterness and lies.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Did I say something wrong? I didn't know I could talk about sex, sex, sex. Did I stay too long? I didn't know I could speak my mind. And I'm not sorry. Let me hear you sing. It's human nature. It's human nature. No, I'm not sorry. So push it, hang your shit on me. It's human nature. You punish me for telling you my fantasy. I'm making all the rules I didn't break. You took my words and made a trap for stealing moves. They held me down and tried to make me break my fuckers. Did I say something true? I didn't know I could talk